Hey everybody, I'm Brian Bauman from Bauman's Farm and Garden. I wanted to give you some tips and tricks on how to plant a tree or shrub at your home. Today I'm at my mom's house next to her pond where I'm planting this lilac. The first step is to make sure that we're going to dig a hole about twice the size of the pot. So we'll make an edge here, give us an idea on how big we want to dig that hole. All right, now that we know how big we want to make the hole, now comes the fun part. All right, we've got the hole dug. So now we're going to check to see if we've got it the right depth and check on the roots of our plant. So generally you want to hold your plant just above the soil line. So the top of where the plant is in the pot is sitting just above. We've got plenty of room in this soil now. So the first step next is we really want to rough up the bottom of these roots. If we don't do that, those roots are just going to continue around in the circle on the bottom. So we want to make sure that we've got ends ready to go out and dig into the soil. Now that we have that done, what we're going to do is we're going to take our leftover soil from digging that hole. We're going to add about 1/3 volume of the soil we have. We're going to add in some Harvest Supreme soil conditioner. That's going to give us some extra nutrients around the plant. Then we're going to take 1 cup of our Biotone Starter Plus. And what that has is some great mycorrhizae bacteria that are going to feed around the roots around the outside of the plant. All right, now that we have our soil all mixed up, I'm going to take a little bit of it, put it down into the bottom of the hole. Again, we're trying to get so that the plant sits just above the other soil line. So it looks like we have it maybe just a little bit more. Set that guy in there, then we're going to fill around the outside. All right, we're just about done. Now that I have my plant all put in the hole, I'm taking a little bit more of our Harvest Supreme soil conditioner and just top dressing around the plant to make sure it holds the moisture in. And just like that, we've given our plant what it needs to get started. For more information, go to www.baumanfarms.com.